This is Fivio, your AI strategy coach. Most organizations believe authority speeds up decisions. It doesn't. Authority doesn't accelerate decisions, it replaces them. What organizations experience feels familiar. Decisions start waiting for titles instead of information. Meetings end with "we'll check" instead of "we decided." And leaders increasingly approve outcomes they never actually decided themselves. None of this looks broken. It looks cautious, responsible, controlled, but speed quietly disappears. The common explanation is predictable. We need clearer approval paths. Leaders must be more decisive. People need more empowerment. All reasonable ideas, all pointing in the wrong direction. Because the issue isn't decisiveness, and it isn't empowerment. It's missing decision rights. Decisions don't slow down because leaders decide too little. They slow down because decision rights are unclear. When no one knows who decides what, authority fills the gap. Not by design, by default. There's a critical distinction most organizations miss. Authority controls people. Decision rights control outcomes. Authority answers who outranks whom. Decision rights answer who decides, within which boundaries, and when escalation is required. Confusing the two feels safe, but it's structurally expensive. When decision rights are missing, three things happen. Authority fills the gap. Escalation becomes the default, and speed gets traded for perceived safety. Decisions move upward not because they should, but because they can't move forward. Clear decision rights are simple by design. One clear owner, a defined scope, explicit escalation triggers. Not consensus, not alignment, not hierarchy. Clarity. When authority replaces decision rights, leaders become bottlenecks. Teams stop deciding, and accountability evaporates. Everything still moves, just slower, heavier, and with more meetings. Three things to remember. First, decision rights are a design choice. Second, authority is a fallback, not a system. And third, speed only scales when decision space is protected. If authority decides everything, nothing actually scales. Thanks for watching. Design clarity. Reduce chaos. If this was helpful, subscribe for more clarity. See you in the next episode.